Guidance on stand 02.
Roger, report back.
Report back.
Ground, Mike, Oscar Foxtrot. Mike, Oscar Foxtrot, tow 133, your push is approved. Face east and then tow via Papa and Juliet.
Faces east, tow Papa and Juliet. Mike, Oscar Foxtrot.
River 22 Kilo Victor Alpha 3 and monitor 124.225. Bye-bye.
On Alpha 3, sorry, monitor tower 124 to flight 32 Kilo Victor, good day.
River 2767 after the EasyJet, just joining ahead with via Papa, then Zulu and Mike, Juliet, stand 11.
Roger, after the EasyJet crossing into the left to the right, and then Papa, Zulu, Mike, Juliet,
Shuttle 17 Tango, runway vacated. Shuttle 17 Tango, hello, 2 right, turn on 08 left, hold before taxiway, Papa.
08 left, hold before Papa, shuttle 197 Tango.
Easy 53 Romeo Juliet, hold down for 3 and monitor 124.225, bye-bye.
Alpha 3, 124, thank you, the Alpha 0,
Easy 72 Alpha Kilo, thanks for your patience there, and the company Airbus shortly to taxi behind you, push start approved 102.
After the company taxi behind, push start approved 102, easy 72 Alpha Kilo.
And that's how we like it.